Maybe at the woods, look what we just spotted. These are, I would say, fox prints.
Foxy?
Yeah, how far they go.
We shall follow them.
Let's have a look. Won't film it all, just... It's getting cold, isn't it?
It's lovely.
That's all I've got, and that's all I've got. Ferrocerium rod, that's a torch by the way, not a lighter. And that's all I brought with me, and of course my phone, which Jane's got. Right, let's go.
What are the
Down there,
fox?
it looks like a three-legged, or whatever it is a rabbit. That's unusual, there must be hopping there. This must be a hop. Yeah?
Yep, hop,
Hop.
hop.
It's come from over there.
Hop. And there's a foxy paw print there. Oh, good fun.
Looks like a right load of activity going on here. Look at this. So you've got rabbit and fox now, and then we get to here. I'm thinking,
Rabbits chasing the fox.
yeah, rabbits chasing the fox. Well, the fuck yeah, we know what's happening. Then there's a bit of a kerfuffle. Looks like round about here, a lot of activity. Look at this. So one's gone one way, and then, oh, there you go. Come down here, and it goes up, and it goes down there, and down there. You can see that. And a little bit more. There's a lot of activity. Probably a fox over here. That looks more like a fox den, doesn't it, Jane? And it carries on.
Something jumped, look, bang,
Yeah.
bang, bang.
This is what I'm looking for. Like this bed. You can. Someone's got turpentine in. Anything like that, nothing new, just the old stuff, dead stuff. That's what we're after. Leatherman surge. You can see that. I want the knife, I want the saw, there we go. So anything like this is dead standing, gone. That would be ideal. Let's go. Whew. Okay, so more and more of this I need. Almost like a tiny Tinder bundle, but even finer if I can. Yep, where are we? Now this thing's sharp. Right, so I'm going to start doing some feather sticks if I can. Anything like this you want to keep. You can see that, can you? Let's get down a bit further. Okay, attempt one. And the wind has just picked up. Bit of smoke. Oh, bit of fire. Come on, mate. Come on. Okay, just prepared another one. Slightly bigger feathers. Let's see if we can get on with this one. Whew. I didn't see that. Okay, anyway, it's my final attempt. It's getting later and it's freezing and the wood is so damp. Right, you're over here. Blimey. Okay, I just blew on it again, just caught it back. Hopefully this time it goes. That is not, I'll tell you, I thought it'd be quite easy. It is not easy. I think we've got it this time. Whew. Let me pull you up higher. Yep, I think we've got it. Whew. I think Jane's walked home. No, she's collecting some wood. Okay, so Leatherman, Surge, Kraken bit. I've had it for years now. Ferrocerium rod, worn down a little bit, but it's good. Bush Box XL. Right. I think we've got it, folks. I think we've got it. Leatherman comes with a. I bought it separate with a pouch. I do mine. Just okay. I'll show it again. Okay, so back in the pouch. Ferrocerium rod. Spare torch, just a tiny, cheap one. Works great. And there we go. All in one tool. Great. Scorched my pouch a little bit, but it doesn't matter. Something I wanted to do, have a go. So, and it worked, and that's all I'm chuffed with now. That's really, yeah. Woohoo, it took us some doing though. Just because you've got a ferrocerium rod doesn't mean you can light a fire. Even the leaves are wet. I was looking around and getting some of the leaves, but they're so damp I was going to crush them up, make them into a powder. But yeah, but she's working, that's the main thing. soon. All the best. Dropped it in the snow. Takes a few seconds to cool down. There we go. And as they say, leave no trace. So here we go, leave no trace. Whew, well, that was enjoyable. Once again, take care.